Okay guys, brand new product from Bluetti. This is the EB3A and I have permission to do a unboxing video. Now today is not the official review video day, but hey, let's take a look at it. Yeah, there that is. Okay, well, let's go ahead and charge it up and I'll show you a little bit about the device. Okay guys, super exciting. This thing charged up in less than 30 minutes. It's sitting at 100%, and the best news is there is no external charging wall adapter. You just have this cable here that plugs right into the power station and it charges up super fast. Now, while I was charging, I also noticed that it had UPS mode on the screen. So a small power station like this with UPS mode, yes, please. I'll have to do some testing on that in the future, so expect some more details in my full review video. Now, speaking of the screen, it actually has an updated screen over the EB55 and EB70. You get your watts in, you get your watts out, and you actually have a battery percentage and estimated time remaining. So everyone was asking for an updated display, and Bluetti actually answered with an updated display on this power station. Now, while I was charging up, I also read through the owner's manual, and it mentions this has Bluetooth connectivity. So with the Bluetti app, you can connect, you can turn on and off eco mode, you can adjust the charging speed. Now there's a charging speed that turns off the fans. It's called silent charging speed. That's pretty cool. There's also a turbo charging speed. And the best thing is that there's actually a way to update the firmware on this. So if there's ever a bug or they want to add additional features, you can just push an update through the app to the power station and the firmware will be upgraded. Now just a few more things, because I only have just a few minutes to talk about this. But they've updated the lights on the buttons here so you can see them better when they're enabled. So you can see the lights here on the outputs. The AC inverter supports 600 watts and it's up to 120 volts now. So what's really cool is I think the older versions were, for the EB55, were 110 volts. So you get the full output of what you get from your wall. And also the charging input is a little bit upgraded over the EB55 and EB70 at 8.5 amps input limit instead of 8 amps. So very good details, guys. Hopefully you guys are excited for the full review on this power station. Now, lots of things to test out. That video will be out June 14th. This is just a quick unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think. UPS mode, no charging adapter, updated display, Bluetooth connectivity. Let me know what you guys think about this power station down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.